So you've gotten logged into SharePoint and you're now looking at a list of library folders on the left-hand side. You're seeing mine where right now you see more folders than you probably will see under your own login. I have athletics reports, enrollments reports, financial aid, main student data and course reports, which is the main area that most people will see, student financials, student records, and veterans office. And that of course can change. But if you don't have access to them, you won't see those listed. Those are restricted reports. So we're going to focus on the main student data and course reports library. So when you get logged in, you're going to see admissions, extended studies, financial aid, student records. Those are subfolders, and we're trying to provide some organization there. The other ones that don't have a particular folder or haven't been categorized yet will be listed here without a folder. So if you want to go into a subfolder, you can. Let's choose admissions, and you just click on the folder. And in this particular case, there is another subfolder, and that is not going to happen for most of the environment. We want to make it as easy as possible to navigate. So if we go with the Enrollment Statistics of International Students report, you simply click on it. But notice beforehand that on the left-hand side, as I have my cursor on the name of the report, there's a little box that you could select on the left and put a check mark in there. And on the right, there's a little drop-down arrow. We'll go into those things later. Right now, what you're going to do is click on the report itself, and it pulls up the report body, if you will. On the right-hand side, there's a list of parameters, and those are the options that are going to be passed to the report and run for those particular time frames or particular set of circumstances. So in this case, for the term of fall 2012, and you could choose several, we're going to choose that term, and as of the current snapshot, or you could go to 10th day, end of term, etc. And then on the career, we mean graduate or undergraduate. So I'm just going to choose graduate for now, and then you have to click on the apply button clear down at the bottom right hand part of the page. Once you click apply, the report will run. And as you can see, it looks pretty basic, kind of a display with the web page. You do have a navigation area up at the top. There's a item listed as action. When you click on that, you get a menu to open with Report Builder, which you won't be able to do, print, and export. You can choose export to any of these listed file formats. PDF or Excel are probably going to be your most common items that you're going to use. If you want to change the parameter, and say you picked the wrong term, for instance, and you wanted to go spring of 12, once you change the parameter, you then have to click apply, and then the report will run again. You can also choose to refresh using the icon that's next in the menu bar. If you happen to have any other pages, you can navigate with these arrows near the number ones, one of, and you can also search for text in the report, and you can zoom in or zoom out. If you need to go back and run another report, what you'll do is you can click on the main student data and course reports option and take you back to the very beginning, or if you know that it's another admissions report, you could choose admissions and then go to the next option. You can also navigate on the left-hand side, choose main student data and course reports, and then you'll also see. And if you have any questions about how to run a report, please contact us either at the email address for birs@boisestate.edu, that stands for Business Intelligence Reporting Services, or contact the help desk at 426-4357 to troubleshoot any technical issues.